Good morning, students. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, first class after holidays, how are you all?
Fine.
Fine.
Ma'am.
Enjoyed a lot in holidays?
Yeah, brilliant. Yes.
Enjoyed winter all around India? Because we don't
Yes,
see
ma'am.
winter in Mumbai, right?
I even got in a safari. A
Oh, wow.
safari is even a butterfly park.
Okay, Butterfly Park, it's near Karnala. The Karnala is one or somewhere else?
Ma'am, in Bangalore.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sarah.
in my building, we found two baby pigeons.
Okay.
Me, my small brother Amir, and Abbas. It is my friend building one.
Mhm.
We were going in the building like that, only round in the building, and we found them two little pigeons, and we gave their name Chunnu and Munnu. And then we used to feed them, but one day any crow came and eat it, and but we are not sure that only crow it, because we found rats putty also there, and so we are now investigating who has murdered Chunnu Manu.
Good. Very good. So everyone, please switch on your cameras now. Now we are just near to our examination, and you might have just went through the Google Classroom. I have uploaded the syllabus. Is there any problem with you regarding the syllabus? Did you understand that we have discussed in the last class also?
And what do we have to submit on 15th January?
Yes, you have to submit a project. Let us go through the syllabus first. I have written over there about your this thing, first chapter. And the first chapter is nature of technology. And you know that nature of technology we have discussed in the earlier classes. So it would be a revision for you. And one the most important thing why I have mentioned this particular chapter in your syllabus, because this is the basic terminologies, basic computer thing that we supposed to know, that we supposed to learn, and we supposed to remember in our life. So that is why I have mentioned all this this particular chapter. So there will be questions on MCQ basis. Am I hanged out somewhere? My network is okay, but yeah. So that you people are more capable and more comfortable with the basic terminologies of computers and technology. That's why I mentioned the first chapter on the basis of first and a bit of the scratch also. I will be making some MCQs. MCQs, you people know, it will be a multiple choice question. Hafsha, please pay attention, because if something was missed out, then you will be facing a lot of problem in your examination. Hamza, I can see your invisible face also. Anyways, so what we are having, we will be having first set that will be done in the classroom only. There will be a Google form in which some questions, 15 questions will be there. There are 4 options in that. You have to select any one of them. You just have to tick in the Google form. That will be and at last there will be a submit button that you have to click, and then everything is done. Nothing else has to be used. And the second part is a project. The project will be based on Scratch. So in Scratch, what you have to do, I am going to give you a topic. On the basis of that particular
Ma'am,
topic,
you mentioned Scratch, and I am now making a program.
no,
I
but
was making a program before the class, and now, as you mentioned Scratch, I was making it.
But I also mentioned that I'm going to allot a topic to you. According to that particular topic, you have to create a Scratch programming, right? So you have to make changes in your particular program or create another program. Scratch is something that is based on the practical application. As many programs you are creating, that will be more helpful for you only, right? So what we have studied in Scratch, we have studied about sprites. We have studied about different sprites. We have studied about how we can
Commands.
Yes, of course, Zainab, you're allowed. So we have studied how we can change the costume of sprite. We have studied how we can change the backdrop of a sprite. Remember? So now what you have to do, create a story by using a sprite, and that story will be having 2 or 3 characters, and those characters should be seen in there. As soon as I click the flag, the output will, Sarah, you are not paying attention, and then you will be the one who is facing a lot many problems with the scratch thing. So what you have to do, you have to create a story. As soon as the flag is clicked, a character should come, the particular background on the basis of the story should be there. And then as the like scenes are changing one by one, in the same way your backdrops will be changed and the story will go on continuing mode. So the story will be of your choice. You have heard about many Marvel stories. You can take a Avengers story. It could be a small story. I don't expect you to create a very big story, but yes, I am looking into how many characters, how many, not only the characters. I'm not saying that there should be 100 गांव वाला लेके आपने एक story बना दिया, नहीं. I am just asking how many the techniques that we have practiced in Scratch. We have practiced the change of costume. We have practiced the change of background. We have practiced the motions of the sprite. So how many techniques, how many different commands you are using in the Scratch, that will be the basis of your marking system of the project. Therefore, I am giving you a lot of time. So today your topic has been allotted. You can start your Scratch programming from today itself, and before 15 also you can submit. You can even submit after 15. I don't have any problem. But mind it, before 15, please let me finish. Let me finish first. Please, 1 minute. Finish. So what we have, I'm saying, if you are submitting before 15 or on the 15, then the marking will be on 10. If you are being late, so per day, I will be making a marking with the lesser number. As in, if you are submitting on 16, then your marking will be done on the 9 out of. So if you are, so I will be 1 mark I'm going to deduct per day basis. And I'm not going to accept after 10 days, right? So it would be much better for you to submit as early as possible. If you are submitting more earlier, then
when is
that,
the ICT exam?
it is, I don't see in the schedule. The timetable will be allotted to you, and there will be a date defined for ICT.
So we have to complete the Scratch project before our exams start.
No, 15th.
Ma'am, what is the
Why I'm allotting this 15th date? Because if you have completed your Scratch programming, then you can focus in the different examination. You don't have only the ICT exam. Na? You have so many exams in hand. So you will be free from a Scratch project. Only you need to fill the Google form.
Google Classroom.
Okay.
Yeah, I have
Ma'am, will
uploaded.
you-
Yes, what? Yeah, I will write the topic in the Google Classroom also today itself.
And you will also
Ma'am, the
write
Google form-
Why I
No,
didn't mention the topic till now, because so that we can discuss the topic first, then it will be more easier for you
Ma'am.
to understand. Yes.
Ma'am, can you write in Google Classroom what
Yeah.
you said now?
Yeah, of course. I'm going to upload this also in the Google Classroom,
Ma'am,
but I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. Yes, Aisha. Yes, tell me.
the Google, I don't understand the Google form exam.
Yeah, I'm going to show you how the Google form exam will be work. Anything else? Anything regarding the project you are having problem with? I hope you have understood. Yes,
Ma'am, we have to do both or we have to choose one?
both. Because I've
ma'am.
mentioned it that the Google form will consist of 15 marks and the project will consist of 10 marks. So altogether you will be having 25 marks of examination, right? Yes. Yes, Zuberi?
Ma'am, and do we have to post it or present it in class? I mean, send it to you or
You send it to
present
me. Send it to me. We will make an assignment
Okay.
section in Google Classroom in the ICT folder. Right now, I have mentioned everything in the information section. There, you don't need to
Ma'am.
submit anything.
Ma'am,
You are going to submit in the ICT folder. Yes.
Ma'am, can I mail it to you?
Yeah, of course. Sure.
Can you,
Ma'am.
can you
One
just
by one,
tell
please.
me
Ma'am.
your email
Wait
ID?
a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, I am going to send my email ID in Google Classroom. Okay, everyone will be having that.
Okay.
So
Ma'am,
today that
ma'am.
topic. Wait a minute. Let me. What? Whatever the topic of the scratch is, the rules I am going to post in Google Classroom along with my email ID. Okay, either you post in Google Classroom or in my email ID. Fine. Yes.
Ma'am,
Next.
we can start from today.
Yes, of course. From
Making
yes, from 1 o'clock onwards, you can start creating the project.
Ma'am.
Yes.
When do we
Yes,
have that?
we have. You can even if you complete the project today, you can submit at 12 midnight also. No problem on submission. But if you late in submitting, then I am going to delete the marks. Yes,
So
The due date is
in
on
which
15th, right?
15. Yes.
Ma'am, if
One by one.
if
Every
you're
whosoever wants to talk, you need to raise your hand. I am allowing you. Then talk. Yes, Aisha, tell me.
ma'am, the
Yes, Aisha. Okay, till then I'll allow Hamza. Yes, Hamza, what you were saying? Tell me.
Ma'am, when
Yes.
you start your program, there is always this type of white background. And even when you add other background, there's still this white type of background. How do you delete that background?
As soon as you start your program,
You have to go
set
to
your background.
costumes and then you have to delete it.
No, ma'am, see, I'll just share my screen.
Yeah, just a minute.
Can
Just a
you
minute. Okay, we are coming to that also. Just a minute. Yes, Aisha, you want to say something?
Yeah, I was just
Oh,
saying
ma'am.
that Hamza doesn't want the white background, so you can just go to costumes and delete it.
Yes, Aisha. Aisha Aga. I was talking to Aisha Aga, sorry. Aisha Aga, yes. She
No,
was saying,
ma'am.
okay. Sehan Salik, you want to say something, Bacha?
Yes, ma'am. What to do in the Google?
Yeah, in the Google form. So I'm just sharing the Google form, a sample Google form I have created for you to share. So I'm showing you that first, and then I'm coming to the Hamza's doubt. Okay. And till then, you people are, you
Ma'am,
just
I got my
can
doubt. It's okay
raise your
now.
hand and then only you will talk. Okay. When I allow you. Yes. What? Is there someone saying something? Okay, fine. So I'm sharing my screen.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who's this?
the Google form exam
Will be.
the Google form exam will be on the Google form, or it will
Ma'am,
be on paper.
No, it will be
Ma'am,
on Google form. It will be in an online exam.
ma'am,
Yes. Who's this? Speak up.
do we have to
Yes.
make a Google form?
No,
Or
I'm
you will give
going
a
to.
Google form
I'm
exam?
going to give you a Google form. You have to just submit the responses. I'm showing you.
Okay. That was I was asking that.
Yeah. I'm showing you. That's it. I'm showing you. You can see my screen is there.
And that is your email ID.
I will share it in Google Classroom. Okay.
ma'am, you showed it one time before also in the class.
Mama,
Mama. Ma'am. Mama. Confused हो गए क्या? Aisha, you have raised your hand. Aisha Aga.
By accident.
Okay. Here you can see my email ID and you can also. Okay. Okay. One second. I created a Google form in the evening and I've just tried. One second. Can you see here? I'll try to send this Google form in Google Classroom, or else in your personal email ID. I'll let you know during the examination. You will come to know. See, this kind of form you will going to see in your screen. You just have to click in a formative assessment thing, and you will be having this kind of form. And here, see, this is the very first question. There will be question number 1 also. So, which of the following is an input device? This is not the
Ma'am,
question.
this is-
Just a minute. This is not the actual exam paper. This question is not going to come in your exam. This is just a sample I'm showing you. So what you need to do, out of these 3 options, which is the correct one? So which of the following is an input device? I have read the question. And what is the correct answer?
Ma'am,
So out of these
keyboard.
3, it is keyboard. So just you have to click this answer.
ma'am,
come to this-
joystick is also an input device.
Yes, but I'm just making a sample now, so it's okay. So now the second question, which is the following is an output device? So again, I'm going to
Monitor.
monitor. Speaker is not an option given. So now what you have to do, you have to go beyond. Acha, if sometimes it happens that अरे यार ये वाला नहीं चाहिए, दूसरा चाहिए, तो you can even change your answer just by clicking it. ठीक है?
Ma'am, I've done this in the Redcliffe
So,
school.
ma'am, unless you finish
No,
it
no. Listen to me. Let me finish. Then you maybe your doubts will be solved. Come to the last part. There will be submit option. You have to submit the response. And here the answers will be come to me automatically. Nothing else. You can leave the class and it's over. I will be there in your class for every time. Whenever you face any problem, I am there to help you out. But it's better you understand what the things are. Okay, you don't need to submit another response. Only one response is acceptable. Okay, some mandatory details will be there. I will make a exam form where you have to mention your name, your class, your subject, your something. Some few fields will be there that you need to write it down. Right now in sample, I didn't mention this one. Fine. So understood what kind of Google form you are going to see? Right? Any
Yes,
problem with this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
now,
so only multiple choice question in the
Form.
Scratch project
yes,
will
it
come.
may, no. Scratch project is something else. Scratch project is something else, bacha. Scratch is not this. This is just the Google form वाला जो first part का exam है हमारा जिसमें हमें Google form fill करना है, that exam will be look like that. There will be altogether 15 questions. It may happen that on during making the question, I can reduce the number of questions also. I can, so it up to my choice that time. But you have to select only one option out of 3 or 4 options, right?
No, ma'am, I'm saying that, and then what else is there in
What
the exam?
As in,
Means
nothing.
that is one part.
This is one part, and second
or
is the
that
project.
it?
This is second is the
Yeah,
project.
so that's what I'm saying. There's 2 parts. No?
Only finish. One part you need to complete at home, and another part I am going to give you in the exam day. Right. So yes, Hamza, can you see we are at the Scratch screen? So what we need to do, we
No,
have to.
ma'am, I got it.
You got it?
ma'am.
Any other
Yeah.
difficulty? Any other problem with the Scratch with anyone?
Ma'am, I didn't, ma'am. How to change its costume and background in between the game?
There is a icon, Sarah.
Ma'am,
Which-
click on code. Ma'am, she's saying
You
how
can
to
change like that.
change the costume.
Okay.
Yeah, go
Okay.
to
Okay.
look.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yes,
Okay.
so-
First thing is
Ma'am,
to सारा ने practice ही नहीं किया है ना तो उसको दिक्कत
But
होगा.
when background,
What we have to do, we have to just go to the background things and it will be there is switch backdrop. See, Sarah,
have
as
to
soon
click
as
on the arrow.
arrow and the next backdrop. So next backdrop, you can create next backdrop here also in costumes.
Ma'am, we can
And-
choose it from this here down, and then
we can add it in here,
Right.
and then
Yes.
when we
From
click on
here
the drop
also.
down arrow, the
देखो,
name of
हाँ.
the background will come.
Yeah. See here. यहाँ पे. These are the different backdrop. You can choose any backdrop of your choice. This will be the next backdrop.
Ma'am, can we
See.
add our backdrop?
Yes, of course you can add your.
Ma'am,
सारा
I
तुम
also
जो
have
नॉर्मल
that.
चीजें हैं पहले उसको प्रैक्टिस करो, तो फिर ये एड ऑन चीजें बिल्कुल कर सकती हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट इफ यू फोकस मोर ऑन द एडिंग अप मोर थिंग्स, then you won't be able to complete the simple things, and that will be create a problem with you. Okay, so try to make it as simple so that it will be more comfortable for you. Take a good moral story of your choice, as in you can even take a story like to one of my student created a story. Please everyone mute yourself. Mute. What is this, Amir? Yeah. So
Ma'am, I
mute.
have a doubt.
Everyone mute first. Raise your hand. I'm going to allow you. Yes, 2 participants. Who are the 2 participants raising the hand? 8 minutes. Okay. Yes, Hamza. One by one. Yes, Hamza.
No, ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
Okay. Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, how do you can you make like suppose somebody jump over something?
So
How do
see.
you do?
See, this is the sprite. Okay, so go to the costumes. No, sorry, we are in the code now. So as soon as I'm going to work on the sprite, I will just see the location of the sprite. The sprite's position is -15 to 50. I want to make it jump from the bed and fall here. So what is the position now? 49 to 71. So change the
No,
position
ma'am,
of the
not
sprite.
like that. Like if it is at the starting and then he's running and then there's something kept in the middle and he has to jump over it while he's running.
Aisha, there is a set of instruction, no problem with that. That I'm going to tell in I have teaching in Mandela, so that the backdrop from the back will be removed as I am pressing the arrow key. So if you want to make it walk, you can move it to 10 steps. You can do it like this. See, move to 10 steps. Okay. So I'm
Ma'am,
going
but
to
how do
take.
you make it?
Just a minute. See here. I am wrote here like 250 steps. Okay. So as soon as I start, it will work in the 250 step, but my background is changed. I can keep the background also. And as soon as it is stuck with the thing, I have to keep a thing, another sprite I'm going to keep over here where it will hit with that particular thing. So I have, we can create and it will fall down. So you have to arrange the alignments, as in इसका alignment क्या है? -190 to 19. I will keep another sprite over here, as in suppose balloon. So balloon is here. Move 10 steps. पहले flag ले लेते हैं. So when flag is clicked, let's make it 50 steps. Or now the balloon's position is 39 to 33. So 39 to 33, I have to keep my sprite's position to 39 to 33. So my sprite will, see, I have some positions like glide to where 39 to 33.
Ma'am.
Yes.
After you're done showing how to do this, can you teach us how to share this in email, because I don't know how to do it.
Oh.
Thank
So
you, ma'am.
here you have to change it. See, when you are going to code for sprite 1, you have to click into sprite 1. If you are making a code to sprite 2, then you have to click into the sprite 2. Then only you can create about this particular sprite, the coding with this particular sprite. Okay. So this is the position. What position I want? I want the position of 39 and I want the position of 33. See whether it will. हाँ देखो, एक मेरा पहले बलून उड़ के आया और ये मेरा स्प्राइट आगे बढ़ा. चलो फिर से करके देखते हैं. सो थोड़ी सी चीजें करनी पड़ेंगी. ये मैंने सेकंड बलून में कर दिया तो मेरा सेकंड बलून चल रहा है. अभी देखिए बैकड्रॉप चेंज हुआ, स्प्राइट का पोजीशन चेंज हुआ और वो बलून को छू दिया. अभी मैं सेकंड बलून का ये कर सकती हूँ कि इसको ब्लास्ट कर देते हैं, इसको गायब कर देते हैं. सो देयर इज अ पोजीशन, देयर इज अ कमांड वेयर आई कैन क्लियर द स्प्राइट. So option is there to delete the sprite. There is an option which helps us to delete the sprite. Are you getting it,
Is the
Daisha?
option to delete the sprite, or is it to like change the sprite?
There are options to change the sprite also. You have the option to change the costumes, to the structure of the sprite. You can change the colors of the sprite. You can do a lot many things. You can even by hitting the balloon, you can change the sprite as in uska haath hi toot gaya ho jaisa. ये देखो. You can delete this, take it as a costume too. अच्छा. तो यू कैन सेट इट एज इन कि वो इसके बाद ऐसे कॉस्ट्यूम पे पहुंच जाए. यू कैन डू दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes.
So just try it. And if you find any problem, if you don't find any command or something you are not able to do, message me up. I'll try to help you out with that. But I want you people to complete these projects. You can create a story as in two friends are talking at a home. Or else one friend was sitting at a home and one just think that why not go to another friend's house. She walk out of the room, and as soon as she walk out of the room, the background will change to the road's background, and she walk in the road and she could not she was quite irresponsible towards the traffic signals and rules. She did not use the zebra crossing and the traffic signal, and she hit by a car, and
Then her hands got
broken hands with there, and she was very felt very bad that why she did not follow the traffic rules. So some moral stories, some message delivery
we have
stories you
to
can
make
use.
right.
No, I'm just giving you the example. You can create any story of your choice. So in
Yeah,
this,
I'm saying
what
we have to
happened?
make a-
Listen to me. If you are doing this, what happened? You have changed the background. You have changed the costume of the sprite. You have change the positions of the sprite. You have shown the sprite walking here and there. So something like that, where you can use a lot of things that we have discussed. We have discussed about pen down. So you can even use a pen down thing in that. Some story in which you can create a web kind of a structure. So use your creativity and create a good story, some moral derivative story, some funny story, some time of we have also done with the variable things. We have accepted the out inputs from the user. So you can use the puzzle kind of thing. It's up to you. Yes, Zuveria, tell me. Zuveria,
We can, yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am, we can use the voice also.
Yes, of
That
course, of course. Whatever we have learned in Scratch, you can use any command. Even if you are using extra commands, that's not a problem with me. I have not told you how to create a game, so I'm not expecting a
Also,
game.
girl with a wheelchair, you can also use her.
Yes, of course, you can use a wheelchair kind of thing. Whatever, try, go ahead with that. But I'm expecting many things from you.
Ma'am,
we have
is
learned a
there a
lot.
kitchen backdrop in
Yes,
Scratch?
yeah, it may be there. There are so many backdrops available. You can even download from, see, you can even download from web also.
How
See
do you
here.
download from web?
Take a backdrop. First, you try to use your backdrops only. See, this is one room backdrop. This is also good. A kind of something.
Ma'am, can we show a routine in Scratch like a girl wakes up, she goes and baths, then she goes for a breakfast,
Yes,
then she
yes.
goes out.
Yes, the story will be of your choice. No restriction in that. I've just suggested you a story so that it will be give you a guideline what you can do, what you can create. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One thing somebody asked me after this, please tell me what. Acha, sharing. Yeah.
Ma'am, we can take.
See, everyone, please pay attention. Just a minute. Acha, chalo, tell me what you were saying. Yes, Aisha Aga, you were saying something.
Ma'am, how do we take backdrops from
Internet.
yeah.
I know सब चीज़ चाहिए. You can. Pause.
How?
Just a minute. Let me first tell you one important thing. Then we will come to that. See, you can save your to your computer. Can you see here? After Scratch, there is a globe kind of thing. And after that, there is file command. So just click into the file button. As soon as you click into the file button, it is written that load from your computer and save to your computer. So what you are going to do, you are going to save this particular program to your computer. It will show you where the location is. See here, the program is going to be saved. And from there, you can mail me as a form of attachment, right? See, here is my Scratch program that has been saved to my computer. And there I can just click into here. So I will get where my Scratch program is, and my Scratch program, I can put it in anywhere in the downloads. Okay. So you just have to save it in your computer and then send it to me as a form of attachment. And they have done this mailing thing in the previous classes, remember? Try for now I have to just see into it how I can use. I've not tried to take a backdrop from internet. Yeah, here. So see, Aisha Aga, what you have to do, just I'm closing this down. See, you go to this tab, choose a background. As soon as you go to this tab, you have to select this part, upload a background. As soon as you go to this particular place, a dialog box open where you find this particular box. So what you can do, you can take the picture from internet, save it in your computer system, as I already have some pictures with me, and you just select that picture in this particular place. This is also internet thing, and it is started importing this particular picture. I've downloaded a picture from internet, and here my picture is there. Understood? So you
Yes.
just save the pictures in your computer and put it in the Scratch. You can, what you can do, you can just take the program in your computer system and share it to me. If you people find any problem in sharing, then just let me know. I'll help you out with that. One more thing you can do, you can even send me the link of your program. See, when you save your program now, let me show you. I have not signed in. You know, when you sign in your account and you are having your Scratch program, I'm showing you how to share the programs. Okay, so here I am with my account, and here is my stuff. And when you went to your stuff, here are the programs that is already saved. And when I go to नहीं ये नहीं, यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन रहता है स्टफ में, that will give you the link. See, you can copy the link address. So this address you can send me, and with this address I can access your Scratch program, and then I will be able to see the program. Is it okay? So I have shown you 2 ways by which you can share your Scratch program to me. Okay? Any problem now? Any problem with anyone? Still, if you face any problem, message me down in WhatsApp. Then I will help you out. Okay? Any other problem? Any query? Right? So shall we leave now? Good luck, everyone. Practice good and create a very beautiful program.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. You can leave the class. Bye-bye.